Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm going to be doing a straight pour, but a moving straight pour. Instead of just a stationary straight pour, I'm going to move it down the canvas and try to get different patches of cells. Let's see. The colors I have today are all custom colors. I have yellow, gold, blue, lime yellow, green, purple, pink, orange, and it's a mix of basics and artist loft. And basically I found colors that were semi-transparent and that dried matte, and then I'm going to I kind of mixed them to opal colors as best as I could. So let's put some paint in a cup. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. That would be about 7 ounces-ish. But because I'm going to be doing a lot of stretching, I don't need quite that much, and there will be a base coat already. So I'm going to start off with some white. And then gold. Some orange. Yellow. I'm going to do a touch more white because again I'm going for an opalescent effect, and there is some metallics, or there are some metallics mixed in just a bit. There's gold in the green, yellow, and orange. There's silver in the blue, purple, and pink. I did do the orange already. Alrighty. I will do a touch more gold for good measure. And though that is way more paint than I need. Alright. Base coat. These paints are mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and I have thinned them out considerably with my mixture of 90% water and 10% Floetrol, and that gives me the consistency that I need to do a straight pour, i.e. cells without silicone. Base coat helps your paint slide around. Okay, let's do it. Alright, well my white didn't mix in the way I would have liked. C'est la vie. Actually, let me pop some of these bubbles. There's so much paint on here, I used way too much. I'm tilting this green off because it's not working for me. Okay, here we are. This is the most opal-y of the ones I've done. And I have a feeling that the straight pour will probably look the best. That's the one I've been most looking forward to doing. Saving the best for last today. But I got my cells, no silicone. And there is a pretty blended effect there. And what you cannot see is that this whole painting has a layer of shimmer on it. I'm trying to find an angle where you can see it. And I just can't. But the mica has dispersed through the whole thing. And that pink is coming out much darker on the camera than it is in person. It's a much softer color. So there it is. I really wish you could see the sparkles. There's just no angle. Okay. Well, it'll be more obvious once it's dry. So thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.